If you pay your credit card 15 days before the due date, then pay the other half 3 days before the due date. This will trick the system into thinking you made 2 payments instead of 1, thus increasing your credit score. It is a common myth that credit cards are bad and only poor people use it and debt will ruin your life. But credit cards basically provide insurance on any purchase you make. So let's say if you buy a car and you are not satisfied, maybe the mileage has been tampered with, you can then contact the credit card company and you get your money back, because under the law Credit Card Act, you are not using your money, you are using the bank's money, so you are protected. Whereas with debit, you are just using your own money and the banks are not liable or legally obliged to return any funds unwisely spent. Credit cards also help you get cashbacks, rewards, cell phone protection, and builds up your credit score. Whenever you are abroad, pay for things with your credit card but in the local currency. If you pay in your home currency, you will get charged an extra transaction fee and be given the worst exchange rates. Do not cancel any direct debit if you have a credit agreement, even though the service may seem as pay as you go, because that will result in default payments, meaning you will always get rejected for any credit applications in the future. If you have a credit card and a kid, add your kid as an authorized user and pay the bill on time, and by the time the kid turns 18, boom, 800 plus credit score for them to succeed in this world. Schools don't teach you this. Hit the like button and subscribe, and if you'd like to see more credit card tips, comment for part 2.